What's up, you guys? Okay, so you guys know me as Jardy Veyus, and I know I come in here, I joke a lot, I make a lot of different videos, I lip sync, I dance, I twerk, you name it, I do everything. But now I'm coming in here on a serious note, alright? From December 14th to the 19th, I will be flying to Puerto Rico. Yes, I'm going for my birthday, December 16th. I know. And I bought myself Raul Alejandro concert tickets for myself as a birthday gift. Hello, just for me. No one else is going to do it for me. So I bought my own flights. I got my own Airbnb. And I got my own concert tickets. And yes, I'm going alone. But I'm not coming here to brag about that. I'm not. Guys, for my birthday, all I would want, honestly, is for you guys to give back. Me, I want to start a different movement, a new movement, and I want to start something new while I go to Puerto Rico. I just want to go ahead and give back because I know how it is to be homeless. I was homeless for 3 months, living in the car, 2 months in a place they didn't want me, which was my own family member's house. I'm not going to mention what family. That whole situation is done for. I don't even want to talk about it, but I've been through a lot. Y'all see this face, y'all gonna think, nah, Jardy has never been through anything. He has the golden spoon. But honestly, that's not the case in my case. I don't even have a mother. I don't have a father. I don't have brothers and sisters. I do, but the people who are related to me by blood are just my relatives. My family members, I basically make my family members as I go and as the years come through and as I meet people and I get comfortable with those people. And a lot of you guys have seen me with my so-called sisters I had in, New York as well, and that's a whole different case. But please, you guys, for my birthday wish, honestly, if you was to give me something for my birthday, what I would love for you to do is go to my link in my bio and share my GoFundMe page for this campaign that I'm starting, or this fundraiser, whatever you want to call it. At the end of the day, I have a heart and I want to give back. And I'm going to start with the Puerto Ricans. Whenever I go to anywhere, Colombia, Venezuela, Dominican Republic, anywhere, and I know ahead of time, I'm going to start a GoFundMe. So the hashtag for these fundraisers is going to be called Jardy Fundraisers. That's it. Simple. Hashtag Jardy's Fundraisers. But if you can, anything helps for these fundraisers. $1, 50 cents, $2. If you can do more, great. I appreciate it. If you can do less, I appreciate it even more. Like, you've done a million for me by just sharing the link and sending me $1 to be able to do the fundraiser. Again, this money, I'm going to start again on December 14th to the 19th. I'll be in Puerto Rico. Not only to celebrate my birthday by myself, but I'm going to go to different areas and I'm going to buy groceries for people. I'm going to give people money. Whatever I can, I'm going to start off with my own money. I'm starting off with $200 that I can put down. Somebody already donated me $20 in cash because I was talking about it in person at work. But if you could donate $1, $5, $10, whatever you can, I appreciate it. My main goal will be $2,500 to start, a minimum. But if I go over that, oh well, guess what? All that money is going to others. I will record everything, and I know people say, if you want to do things from the heart, go ahead. But I have to record in order to get the money to give it out to the others. Again, I appreciate you guys for the 8,800 of you guys who are following me. If you can all please just donate $1, $2 to the GoFundMe. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And everybody who will get the money as well will appreciate it. Again, my link is in my bio. Go look at it. If you can't donate anything, I still love you and I still appreciate you. If you can still just share the link, please. You guys, I really want to start something different, start something new, and I want to make a difference in the world. And I want to put my mark in people's hearts. And I love you guys. From the heart, Jardy loves you. And again, thank you for even watching this as well, okay?